Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to compare data quickly and visually inside Google Sheets, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to use Compare Mode in Google Sheets, a super useful feature that'll help you spot trends, differences, and patterns with just a few clicks. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create a chart that allows you to compare your data like a pro, making your spreadsheets not only more informative, but much easier to digest. So let's jump right in and get started. Alright, the very first thing you'll want to do is open up your Google Sheet with the data you'd like to compare. Once your data is all set, look towards the top menu bar and click on Insert. This is our gateway to adding different elements to our spreadsheet, and in this case, we're specifically interested in inserting a chart. So go ahead and click on Chart from the drop-down menu that appears. Don't worry if your chart doesn't look perfect right out of the gate, we'll adjust it in just a moment. After you've clicked Chart, Google Sheets will automatically generate a chart based on your selected data. Now here, where the real magic happens. It's time to choose a chart type that best helps you compare the information you have. This isn't just about making things look pretty. Choosing the right chart makes it so much easier to understand what your numbers are actually telling you. For comparing values, bar charts and column charts are usually a great pick. They line up your data side by side so you can instantly see which category is bigger or smaller. If you're comparing trends over time, maybe between different years or categories, a line chart might be your best friend since it clearly shows how things move up or down together. In the Chart Editor panel, you'll see various setup options. Take a moment to look at the suggestions Google Sheets gives you, but don't be afraid to explore. If something doesn't look quite right or feels confusing, try switching to a different kind of chart. Remember, the goal is to make your comparison obvious at a glance. For example, if you ran a bake sale in January and March and want to see which month pulled in more money, a simple column chart would make those differences pop right off the screen. Now let's talk a little about Compare Mode specifically. Once you have your chart, hover your mouse over any part of it. You'll notice that Google Sheets highlights related values across your data series, making the comparison even clearer. This is super handy if you have multiple sets of data, like test scores from two classes or sales numbers from different products. The chart literally guides your eyes to help you compare without the need for complicated formulas or extra steps. And there you have it. You've just created a Microsoft Excel-style Compare Mode experience right inside Google Sheets, making your data not only beautiful but super insightful. Just like that, comparing information in your spreadsheets is now faster, more accurate, and way more visual. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, it really helps out the channel. Have any questions or want to share how you use charts in your daily work? Drop a comment down below, I'd love to hear from you. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more bite-sized tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.